Biryani, a culinary masterpiece that has enchanted taste buds across the globe, is a dish that transcends borders and cultures. Its aromatic blend of spices, tender meats, and fragrant rice has made it a cherished favorite for centuries. In this article, we will delve into the origins, types, cooking techniques, and the everlasting appeal of biryani. The origin story. Unearthing the historical roots. Biryani's origin can be traced back to the Indian subcontinent, with roots dating back to the Mughal era. Legend has it that the Mughal emperors sought to create a dish that combined the best of Persian and Indian flavors. This marked the inception of biryani, a dish that would later branch into various regional adaptations. The symphony of flavors. A fusion of aromas and tastes. Biryani is a celebration of spices that dance in harmony, creating an explosion of flavors with every bite. The aromatic blend of cardamom, saffron, cloves, and cinnamon infuse the rice and meat, ensuring each mouthful is a tantalizing experience. Whether it's the fragrant Hyderabadi biryani or the succulent Lucknowi version, the symphony of flavors remains the hallmark. Types of biryani. Exploring regional variations. Hyderabadi biryani, the crown jewel of biryanis, it boasts unparalleled flavor and aroma due to its dum cooking method. Lucknowi biryani, known for its distinct pulav style, it captivates with its subtle use of spices and tender meat. Kolkata biryani, the use of fragrant rice and subtle flavors, along with juicy potatoes, sets this biryani apart. The art of cooking biryani. Crafting culinary magic. Creating the perfect biryani requires finesse and precision. Here is a step-by-step guide. Marination. The meat is marinated in yogurt and spices, ensuring it's tender and flavorful. Parboiling rice. The rice is parboiled to maintain texture during the final cooking. Layering. Meat, rice, saffron milk, and fried onions are laid, allowing flavors to meld. Dum cooking. The biryani is cooked on low heat in a sealed pot, letting the ingredients cook in their juices. The everlasting allure. A dish for every occasion. Biryani has seamlessly woven itself into various occasions and celebrations. From weddings to festivals, this dish has an uncanny ability to bring people together, serving as a symbol of joy and unity. The global embrace. Crossing borders and winning hearts. As centuries passed, biryani transcended geographical boundaries. From Middle Eastern biryani to African biryani, each culture adopted and adapted the dish, adding their unique twist while retaining the essence of the original. Embracing biryani, a culinary adventure. In a world of diverse cuisines, biryani stands tall as a culinary adventure that promises a journey through taste and culture. Its captivating blend of flavors, intricate cooking techniques, and historical significance make it not just a dish, but a cultural phenomenon that continues to win hearts worldwide.